Hi guys! Today, magluluto tayo ng Mexican beef tacos. So here are the ingredients for our Mexican beef tacos. So we have here taco shells, then we have salsa, tomato salsa. Meron tayo ditong ground beef. We have melted cheese. We have sliced tomatoes. Meron din tayong onion and garlic. So, chopped na sila. And then, we have bell pepper. Then, we have sour cream or mayonnaise. Meron tayo ditong lettuce. So, lettuce. Then, meron tayong mga spices. So, we have Italian seasoning and chili powder. We have also salt and pepper. And then, yung sa oil natin, gagamitin ko is sesame oil para makapagdagdag ng aroma, although you can use ordinary cooking oil. So, simulan na natin pagluluto. So, procedure natin in cooking. First, sautein natin ang beef, onion, garlic, yung tomatoes, then yung bell pepper. So, first, lagay natin yung sesame oil, garlic, then onion, then yung ating kamatis. Then, yung ating ground beef. So, lagyan na natin ng spices. So, first, lagyan natin ng chili powder. Then, yung ating Italian seasoning. So, yung Italian seasoning natin, meron ng mix na rosemary, savory, sage, thyme, marjoram, and spices. Yun. Then, lagay natin yung pepper, salt and pepper. So, add natin lastly yung bell pepper. Then, set aside na natin siya. Siluto na yung ground beef natin. Isi-set aside natin siya. After natin ginisa or sauteed yung ground beef, now, i-assemble naman natin yung Mexican beef taco natin. So, kuha tayo dito. First, lalagay natin yung lettuce. So, gawin lang natin siyang wrapper. Siya yung pinaka then, yung ating beef. Then next yung ating grated cheese. Ito melt cheese to. So later on, ito toast natin ng onte para mag-melt yung cheese. So, ready na siya para i-toast natin. So, luto na ang ating. So, nag-melt na yung cheese. Tanggalin na natin. Luto na ang ating Mexican beef tacos. Enjoy, guys!